Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to another episode of Crypto Elites. We have covered a wide variety of coins in some of our previous videos, such as Shiba Inu, Algorand, Holo, VeChain, V4, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So if you missed some of our previous content, please scroll down, look at some of the previous videos that we have created. There's still some open trades that you can still make profit on if you go back, watch the videos, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. So in today's episode, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if you're lucky, there might be a bonus coin at the end. So our first coin on screen is Bitcoin. If you missed our last video, we talked about the 200-week moving average, and as you can see on screen, we have our blue line here, which is our 200-week moving average. Currently, we are still trading above it. We are still in our upward trend fractal. And looking back, we are above another support level we had back in the 23rd of December 2020. And this was a pinnacle moment in terms of us breaking to the upside and going on to set not all-time highs, but a higher high. But yeah, this was a pivotal moment before we had that big burst to the upside. So potentially, if history repeats itself, we might be looking at a similar pattern, especially as we are trading above the 200-week moving average. It looks like we are about to retest this top resistance line here, and we cannot forget about this important level here, which is a 0.236 Fibonacci extension. Historically, we have used this line as major support. Apart from our previous bounce down to the 0.236, in all previous circumstances where we have touched this level, we have seen big swings to the upside. So hopefully we can stop using this level as resistance, start using it as support, and then get back to our main trend line, which is this line you can see here in our Fibonacci retracement. But it's looking good on the daily. It's a Monday, which is a good start to the week. We're up 4% on the daily. Potentially we might retest this today, and then maybe have some sideways movement back down before we have another swing to the upside. Or depending on how the charts are doing, the charts are looking quite strong today, we might actually see a burst above this resistance line here any day now. So stay tuned, subscribe, and keep up to date. The next coin we're going to be looking at is Ethereum. Again, if you missed our previous videos, for when I first started the YouTube channel, Ethereum was down here, about to retest this 200-week moving average. It's sort of like a similar situation to how Bitcoin is in. At this point, I was telling my group to buy into Ethereum, just because we are trading above the 200-week moving average, and look what the charts have been like ever since. We have been in an upward trend, setting higher highs and higher lows, and now we're about to retest our major support lines. As you can see, we have previously used in Ethereum. These have been a major factor in the Ethereum chart historically, and we have had massive swings to the upside every time we use this support zone this rectangle as a support zone. So likelihood is, once we start consolidating along here, likelihood is we will be retesting some of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So stay tuned, keep up to date. The second that we start seeing some consolidation, I will be looking to long Ethereum. I just need this to close above here and start ranging for a little bit before we can actually start swinging back to the upside, swinging more to the upside. Okay, and I'm going to throw in a bonus coin for you guys. The coin that we're going to be looking at is Shiba Inu. This was interesting looking at Shiba, because we have been in a big bull flag for quite some time now, and it looks like we have, when I extend this, broken above this resistance line. So the next level that I believe we will be retesting, we need an official candle close above here first, because we have just broken this level today. We are up by about 3% today, so we need a candle close today. Then we can start looking at tackling this resistance line here. But looking at this, Shiba is in a strong predicament right now, and in the grand scheme of things, you can see how much downward trend we have had. We are basically sitting on bottom support, so I believe any investment now will benefit you in the long term, especially as we're about to break these resistance. I believe there are short, medium and long term trades to be had with Shiba Inu, so stay tuned. And if I could just put this up there, yeah, it looks like we have created an upward fractal within our upward fractal. So yeah, it's looking quite strong. So yeah, we could actually see a big move to the upside at some point today, depending on how the charts go. So if you like my content, please subscribe. You don't want to miss out, because we have some very important content coming in our next video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.